I'm going to show you how to make thrums. So this is a thrum. It's a little bit of wool that you knit into your work so that one side ends up all fuzzy like this and the other side looks knitted. This is an example of thrums for my thrum slipper pattern you can find on Ravelry, and I'm going to show you how to thrum. So this is wool roving. You're gonna pull off a bit of it. I like to pull off the length that I want to make my thrum, and then take a little bit from the side. Then I'm gonna pull it out a little bit, get it the length I want. I'm gonna wrap the top around my pointer finger and then wrap the bottom around my middle finger. I'm gonna grab the center and kind of twirl it back and forth. And so once you do this, it does kind of become a thrum. It's kind of loose though, kind of loosey-goosey. So I like to put it in my palm next and just really rub back and forth. And that kind of makes a really secure thrum. I'm gonna do one more to show you. And you do get pretty quick at making these. And sometimes I don't do the center twirl, I just immediately start this rubbing because it is a lot faster. Yes, so that is how you make thrums.